Ever pondered the birth of the coins jingling in your pocket? There's a captivating story behind each one that's more than just a minting process. It's a birth, a transformation from a simple metal blank into a shiny piece of currency, carrying value and history in its tiny frame. Coins have been around for over 2.5 millennia, first appearing in ancient Lydia, now modern-day Turkey. Over the centuries, the process of coin making has evolved dramatically. It's a journey that has been influenced by technological advancements, societal shifts, and economic changes. Every coin you hold has been through a remarkable journey, a metamorphosis that's as fascinating as it is intricate. From the early days of hand-hammered coinage to the sophisticated automated processes of today, the birth of a coin is a process steeped in tradition, precision, and artistry. So are you ready to explore this fascinating journey? Dive in to discover the fascinating journey of a coin from a simple metal blank to a shiny, valuable piece. Imagine a big sheet of metal. This is where our coin's journey begins. It's not just any metal, mind you. The type of metal used varies depending on the denomination of the coin and the country where it's minted. Once selected, the metal is cleaned, polished, and then heated until it's a glowing, malleable slab ready to be transformed. Next, this metal sheet is fed into a blanking press, a machine that acts much like a cookie cutter, stamping out small round pieces. These pieces are what we call planchets. The leftover metal isn't wasted though, it's recycled and used again, ensuring nothing goes to waste in our coin-making process. These planchets, still rough around the edges, are then polished until they shine brilliantly. They are now ready for the next stage of their transformation into the coins we all know and use. And there you have it. The birth of a coin, albeit in a rather unrecognizable form. Now, how does a plain, round piece of metal transform into a coin, you may ask? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of the striking process. Imagine the planchet, our round piece of metal, going through a transformation, much like a caterpillar turning into a butterfly. The first step in this metamorphosis is to heat the planchet. This isn't just a little warm-up. We're talking about a heat similar to what you'd find in a blacksmith's forge. This heating process makes the planchet more malleable and prepares it for the next step. Once the planchet is heated, it's time for the real magic to happen. Picture two dies, each bearing a mirror image of the coin's design. These dies are like the sculptor's tools, ready to chisel out a masterpiece. The heated planchet is placed between these two dies, and then, with a force that would make Thor's hammer seem like a feather, the dies come together. In a split second, the pressure from the dies imprints the coin's design onto both sides of the planchet simultaneously. It's a bit like making a sandwich, but instead of bread and fillings, we have metal and intricate designs. And just like that, the transformation is complete. The plain, round piece of metal has undergone a striking metamorphosis, turning it into something much more valuable and meaningful. Voila! The once plain piece of metal now bears the intricate design of a coin. So we have a coin, but it's not quite ready to jingle in your pocket just yet. You see, after the striking process, each coin must undergo a meticulous inspection. This isn't a cursory glance. No, it's a thorough examination to ensure that every coin is up to standard. Any coin that doesn't make the cut is sent back to the beginning, melted down and given another chance to shine. Every coin, whether it's a humble penny or a mighty quarter, is scrutinized for any flaws. Perhaps a smudge on Lincoln's face or a nick on the rim. These imperfections simply won't do. Each coin is also weighed to ensure it's the correct mass. Too light or too heavy, and it's back to the smelting pot. Once our coins have passed their inspection, they're counted and bagged, ready for their next adventure. They're sent off to banks and other financial institutions where they'll be distributed into the world. Some coins may find themselves in a child's piggy bank, others in the till of a bustling cafe. The journey of a coin is a fascinating one, full of precision, care, and a dash of metamorphosis. From a simple piece of metal to a symbol of trade, every coin carries with it a story of transformation. And there you have it, the fascinating journey of a coin. Next time a coin jingles in your pocket, remember the incredible process it has undergone.